Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.exchange. Now I'm in Dubai, but next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. Now the market is clearly trending, and I already told you when Nifty closed above 25,180, this market has become technically long. Now, if you look at the broader market or a broader time frame, Nifty, on May 12th, shot up from 24,000 to 25,000. A 1,000 point rally in just one day, just approximate. And after that, for the next 6 months, markets were just consolidating. Usually, the markets consolidate only for about 2 to 3 months only. And when the market is consolidating more than 3 months, so then we can say this is a very long consolidation. The longer the consolidation, the next leg, it can be a rally or it can be a crash. So that will be more severe. So 6 months of consolidation, then markets became technically long. Markets became technically long when 25,180 was taken out on the higher side. And then markets broke out when 25,650 has taken out. Because 25,650 was the last 1 year high. But however, usually many times I've seen when the markets will be making a very big move or will be preparing to make a big move ahead of some important events. Ahead of some important events, people in futures and options, they will not like to take positions because if the events go against them, the loss can be very heavy because futures and options is basically a hugely leveraged bet. So that is when people in the cash market, they come and invest aggressively. So I still remember in 2018 on February 1, the budget day, there were a lot of rumors whether there will be a long-term capital gain tax will be introduced or not. And the people in futures and options, they were not ready to short sell because in case if there is no long-term capital gain tax in the budget, the markets can rally significantly. But market technically showed short on that day. That is the day before the February 1. That was on January 31st. But on February 1, on the budget day, the long-term capital gain tax was introduced. Markets fell further. So the same way now, on Friday, the markets were bullish, but futures and options players were not ready to take aggressive long position because Friday evening, Reliance, Saturday, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So these three results are due. These three results put together as a weightage of 1/3 in Nifty. So, in case you go long and then, if all three results are bad, there can be a significant gap down on Monday, so they will lose. But on the contrary, what has happened? And all the three results seems to be very good. Reliance result seems to be very good. Reliance GDR is up by 2.5-3%. And then ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank results came on Saturday. So it will not be reflected in US ADR. But however, as per the news reports, so they say that, both companies, results were better than the street expectation. So the Bank Nifty is already closing at all-time high on Friday. So in all probability, the GIFT Nifty indicating 150 point gap up, but that is not factoring in ICICI and HDFC Bank results. So there is a possibility Monday morning we might gap up 150 to 250 point gap up. And not only that, the US markets were very, very bearish, very, very volatile for the past few trading sessions. But on Friday, US markets also shot up significantly from the day's low. I think from day's low, S&P 500 shot up nearly 2%. So global cues are also likely to be good on Monday. So our next target for Nifty is at 26,000. So market is clearly very bullish. So this is the best time. The people who bought the call option are making very good profits, right? So like a 25,800 call option was trading around 5 to 10 rupees few days before, and tomorrow that's likely to go to 150 to 200 points. So people are making like 10x, 20x profits in options buying. So this is the best time for option buyers, especially the call option buyers. So technically speaking, market is long, and 26,000 is just only a psychological number, round number, but otherwise the actual resistance is at 26,300. So markets, for the time being, very, very bullish, and corporate results seems to be really very good. So far, except Infosys and TCS, and all other stocks are rising after the results. So this is just only the beginning. So there are more and more companies that will be declaring the results. Somehow I feel that FMCG stocks have bottomed out. So the next leg of the rally can come from FMCG stocks. So already banking stocks and auto stocks are in a bull grip, and now the next one in line will be FMCG stocks. So let us see where the market is going to happen. But next week, Monday is a trading day, Tuesday and Wednesday holiday. So we have only 3 trading sessions, and more importantly, on Tuesday, Muhurat trading session. But usually Muhurat trading session will be in the evening time, but this time Muhurat trading session they've changed to the afternoon session. So please note the timing of Muhurat trading session. So it is not in the evening, it is in the afternoon. So Nifty strong support will be at 25,500 and resistance will be 26,300 for the rest of the series. So that is a view right now, but markets are bullish, but at the same time, intraday. Tomorrow is an expiry day, so therefore markets tend to be volatile. Even on Friday, market shot up, but intraday it fell about 150 points. So any intraday fall is considered to be an opportunity for you to cut your short positions and take long positions. So that is the strategy right now. The hopes are very high that before the end of December, Nifty will be taking out all-time high. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.